G'day my friends, how are we all going today? Another beautiful day on my side of the planet. Wouldn't be dead for $1 million today. If you guys have watched my videos before, you'll know that my day job, I drive a dumpster truck. You know, I pick up trash from building sites and that sort of stuff. And every now and then I get a job where the guy's cleaning out his shed or something like that, and we end up with something like this. Look what I found, guys. I found a bloody wood lathe. Now it's all a bit rusty and I don't know one end of a wood bloody lathe from another. You know me, I'm a sort of a welding plasma cutting guy. I thought I'd give this a go, see if we can get the bloody thing to work and if we can actually spin a lump of wood on it. And then I'll have my first ever try of using a wood lathe. What do you reckon? Could be dangerous, guys. Anyway, my friends, same as usual, you like my videos, remember to subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say g'day in the comments below, and let's get into it. Yeehaw!
Pete'sTools.com.
So I think it even works, guys. Let's kick it in the guts and see what happens. Even got the switch here, it looks like they've just ripped it straight off the wall, guys. Whoops, wrong way round for a start, Pete. Ooh, something's noisy. So we've got the motor turning here, guys, but we haven't actually got a shaft turning. I don't think it says. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. It sounds really noisy, guys. Maybe I just spray some penetrating water on the bearings and quieten it down a bit. Doesn't seem to be working, does it? It's still really noisy, guys. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. Put in the comments below if it's supposed to make this much bloody noise, because I don't know, because I've never had a wood lathe before in my life. I also noticed this end, guys. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. Oh, I see, it's got a sort of a stop here. Is that supposed to spin in there? Or is it just supposed to spin on the end here? Oh, I see. You see that, guys? That's just half seized in here. I didn't realise that the actual spindle end here is supposed to spin as well, so I think we need some CRC on that. I'm not sure whether this is supposed to be independent of that or not. And also, this undoes, but it doesn't wind in. I think this is also seized as well, from what I can make out. So if we spray a bit of stuff in here, guys, just lube it up a little bit, and I'm going to see if I can actually, yeah, that's a bit better, eh? So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to see if I can actually put a lump of timber in here and actually see if I can do some wood turning. What do you reckon? Check it out, guys. I even got some rusty old wood chisels with it. Look at that. I don't know if they're any good or not. See, they're all cut on different angles as well. Different shapes. Look like that sort of a half moon shape one there. We've got a long, skinny sort of half moon shape one here. Some sort of knife thing here. Another sort of pointy one here. And I don't really know what this thing is, guys. You might be able to tell me. Put in the comments if you know what this bloody thing is. You can see all the cobwebs and shit on there, guys. It's been in storage for ages. So guys, you have to bear with me here. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'll presume that, but just stabs on there, I would imagine. If I just sort of try and go centre. Try and go as hard as I can that way. And then I presume we bring this into it. Once again at centre. Like I say, I know nothing about this. So this is going to be, so this could get dangerous, guys.
2 hours later.
I'm normally into welding and plasma cutting, but you know, this is totally foreign to me. But anyway, I'll try anything once. You never know, I might be a master wood turner. Alright, that seems to be quite tight there, guys. Am I game enough to turn it on? Rightio. I'll switch it on, see what happens.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Looks dangerous. Holy crap, window, guys. Look at that, guys. That is spinning at a great rate of knots here. Looks pretty dangerous to feet.
A few moments later.
I think I might change the pulley on the end, guys, just to slow it down a bit. Yeah, I think I might put the belt on this one here just to slow it down a bit, because I don't really want the thing to come off and whack me in the face. I mean, I'm ugly enough as it is. I don't need a lump of wood to go and smack me in the face. Right, there he is. I should just be able to put that one over there, like so. Push it down. Oh, she's on a bit of an angle, guys. Look at that belt there, guys. She's on a bit of an angle. What do you reckon? Is that going to work or is that going to work? Oh, well, only one way to find out. Kick it in the guts, Pete!
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Holy crap, that's even worse. You know what I did, don't you guys? I told you I was no bloody good at this. I put it on the wrong pulley. I mean, obviously, to slow it down, we've got to go from a bigger pulley. So we slow the revolutions down, wouldn't you think? So if we put it on that one there, wow, that's on a bit of an angle there, guys. I don't know if that'll even work. So we've gone from the back to the front, but look at the angle of that. Should slow it down though, guys. Right, kick it in the guts, Pete, see what happens this time. Ah, that's better. Yeah! That's at a better pace now, guys. A little bit slower. I can jump out of the way if it flies off. Ready, guys? Let's go, shall we? What's the worst that can happen?
A few moments later.
Oh dear.
2 hours later.
Not working very well, is it?
One eternity later.
Maybe I've got to put this guide thing closer into the wood. Let's have a go at that so it doesn't jump around too much. Let's have a go at that. Well, we're a bit closer now, guys. Let's see if it makes any difference. Well, my friends, that was a total disaster, wasn't it? Look at all I managed to do, guys. Wow. I don't think the wood turners out there are in any danger of me outperforming them, guys. It's disgusting. Anyway, my friends, that was my cock up for the day. Same as usual, guys. If you like the channel, remember to like and subscribe. Put some comments below on how I buggered this up, because I have buggered it up. I just don't know where to start, basically, with wood turning. And with a little bit of experience, you too can be as good as this. Anyway, guys, check either side. I'll put another couple of welding videos up there for you to have a look at. And we'll see you next time, mate.